What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and in today's vlog we are going drifting. So right now we are in Lancaster, I believe, going to the Willow Springs track. We have the drift car loaded. So this is a 240, not just any 240. It has a LS3 and it's built LS3 cam, a bunch of other goodies. We'll do a full walk around the car right now, but it's so early right now. We got here like around 4 a.m. last night, and we slept like maybe 4 hours, and then woke up, and now we're just getting ready to go to the track. A lot of drifting, a lot of cool cars, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Here's today's driver. We got Rudy in the whip. How do you feel about today's drift event, bro?
I'm excited, a little nervous. Still trying to work out all the kinks of the car, so what is this, third track day with this car, so hopefully this one's it.
Yep. Glizzy said he's ready. How Glizzy? It's so damn cold. I think the hottest it's gonna get today is 59 degrees. And then it's gonna be in the low 30s today. So it's so cold, especially because, you know, we're from San Diego, so you know, the coldest it really gets in San Diego is like low 60s, maybe touch the high 50s. And that's at night, so we're in for a treat. That's why I got this big old puffy jacket, is because it's so cold. This is a LS3, and it has bill heads, has a torque cam in it, and bolt-ons, headers. This is the inside, sparkle seat, full roll cage, and yeah, fully gutted. So this is a fuel setup. Got the Medusa head over there, radio, fuel cell, a bunch of other goodies, and it runs on C12, right?
Sir.
Running on C12. Go ahead, filling up, getting ready. The cleanest engine bay I've seen here today. So sick. See.
Something exploded.
Well. I think it is. I think it is your power steering.
This thing
Yeah.
exploded. Power steering got too hot.
Not bled.
I'm gonna go grab towels.
Okay.